We're into the final stretch today, starting with secret number 21, how to build my tribe. It's kind of a break. You don't really have to do too much. It's just more of advice on how to gain an audience. So check that out, and then we're going to get into how to make an EPK and how to write great copy tomorrow. I'm going to drop those together so that you can take a break and do the cake at the end of the week. I dropped that today too. Section 3 cake is available, and then I'm going to drop some of the, be dropping some of the bonus audio and some of the bonus, like the cliff notes and all that kind of stuff soon as well this week. So we're in the final stretch, Secret 21, only going to 30, and then I got a couple of bonuses, but I'm going to drop all the bonuses at the same time. So um, if there hasn't been a bonus by the 30th secret, you'll get them all. And we'll finish up just before the holiday, and you'll level up before, the year is out. So or if you're watching this in the summer before the summer gets started. So, yeah, keep leveling up, build that tribe. All right, y'all. Peace.